Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I feel like it's been forever since I filmed, probably because it has been forever since I filmed, but I'm gonna do a little mini tutorial finishing touches to just show you guys the March products that we're featuring, because we have lippies, eyes, eyeshadow duos, as well as the liquid liners. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys just how I would finish this look. I just basically have foundation on, little blush. I mean, I feel like I'm dead to the world, so let's get a little color on my face. So yeah, so here are the palettes that we were featuring this month, and these are from Y Cosmetics. And I don't know which one I should do with this outfit. I was thinking kind of doing like just the liquid shimmer shadow, and then just putting the regular shadow on top, but I don't know. So we have variations 1, 2, and 3. Now we did rename them Team Peacock, Team Cheetah, and Team Zebra, just because those were the names that jumped out to us when we saw the colors. So I think, well, I mean, this is kind of cheetah. Well, I think it's more leopard, but I think I'm gonna get the cheetah one, which is 2. But I really wanted to use peacock. That was like by far our most popular variation was peacock. And then I think zebra and cheetah tied. So yeah, so see, this is the cheetah variation, but I kind of want the gold, which is in the peacock variation. Yep, this is the peacock variation, and I just love this gold here. So what I'm gonna do is actually put it all over my lid with my finger, and we're back. Okay, so so these really cute Y Cosmetics shadows, and we met them at the Indie Beauty Expo. They have questions on them, so you want to question yourself, and this is actually a good one for me. Why do you doubt yourself? Because I definitely am always doubting myself. So not that that's funny, but yeah, so the technique I'm going to use today is just taking my finger and putting it all over my lid. Now I would smoke it out with the blue, but I'm wearing black, so I'm not going to do that right now. So, and you can see this is like, hello, hello, hello. Okay, hello. So should we zoom in? Oh gosh, I have to lean down a little bit. Okay, let me show you guys. So this is the copper, and I'm just gonna put it, and you cannot imagine how soft and buttery this is. Like, it's amazing. And then, so I put it a little more intense right here, and then I just kind of gradient it up like that. Okay, little tap more. And I love this technique for putting on shimmers because it gives you the intensity like no other. Like a brush can't do this, honestly. You can use the applicators in here, but I'm like so into using my fingers that I'm just gonna use my fingers. Applicator that it comes with, so I just put a little tap on there, and I'm just gonna, and that's a great way to get in your inner corner with these little sponge applicators. And there is a mirror on here, so if you can see, I'm like looking in this mirror. Okay, oops. Okay, so now with peacock we did include the blue liner. I'm actually gonna use the dark brown liner though, just because I mean it matches my outfit. Let's just make sure this is even. Yes! Okay, so I'm gonna actually use the rest as a highlighter because I'm like kind of chocolatey. So I can get away with using this as a highlighter. Just the residue. I'm not gonna add any more. Well, actually on this side I might have to add a little more. If you're fairer skinned, you could use it more so as a bronzer. But since, you know, I'm chocolate, I can use it as a highlighter. So, put that on there. You know I love highlight on my forehead. Okay, so that was the, it's version number 3. And then it's our peacock version. This is the Rude Cosmetics, and this is the chocolate brown liner. And I've been dying to use this. So this is what it looks like. It's so deep and chocolatey, which is always cool. And I'm just gonna use my little mirror that comes in here and do my liner. Get the crust out of my eye. And this is kind of a thick applicator, so it's really easy for beginners if you have never used liquid liner before. And should we wing it or should we not wing it? I don't know. I know I always love a wing. Should I wing it? No, we won't wing it today. It's so funny, before I started doing tutorials, like I literally didn't even know how to do liner without winging it. And I was just like, girl, not everyone wants to wing it. And some people don't wear lashes with every look, so it's okay to do a look without lashes every once in a while. Even though usually, you know, I have my lashes on deck, okay? Cool. So it's a very, like, you know, natural look that you can wear to work, wear going out, wear, you know, to the grocery store, something like that. Want to wear a leopard turtleneck with a keyhole to the grocery store? That's your business. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys the lips really quick. I'm gonna do, well, I'll show them all in the unboxing. I think the one that matches with this look the best is gonna be, well, forget matching, I just want to wear gold. So so I'm gonna wear the Trinity, and then I'm gonna wear the lip pencil. I'm gonna wear Nutmeg lip pencil and Trinity lipstick. So hold on 1 second. Taking all my foundation off. Ratchet style, guys. You can fill them in a little if you like. Blot them a little, and then I'm gonna use the Trinity, which is the gold shade, and I just love this formula. It's called Tender Gloss. It's like a gloss mixed with a lipstick, and we made these a while ago and I was so into them, and I was dying to put them in a box. Like, come on. I actually like to use this as highlighter too, ratchet style. well, it's not ratchet style. It's like whatever you want to do. So we're going to do that. I'm going to rub a little bit on my nose, a little on my cheeks, all my cheeks here. I mean, I can get away with a lot because I have dry skin, and you know, so yeah, if you want to use it as a highlight, cool. If you want to use it as a lipstick, like, look at this, it's so glittery. I want to put some of the copper under my lash line because I was doing my mascara and I was like, wait, I'm missing something. And I was like, there's no makeup under here. I need some makeup under here. So I'm going to take this applicator that it comes with and just kind of dab the end in it and then put it underneath. My lash line, because why not? Alrighty, and there we have it. So I know usually I'll do like a full face with you guys, but yeah, that didn't happen today. So here are a few of the products from the GLITZGLAMBOX for March. I'm gonna film the unboxing right now and I'll be posting this soon. And you guys, the giveaway winner is gonna be announced in the unboxing video because typically more people watch that one. So if you haven't seen the giveaway winner, the giveaway announcement, go to the unboxing and watch that one. If you have seen the unboxing, thank you so much for watching 2 videos. You should subscribe. If you are subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing. Until the next video, guys. Bye.